Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Importance of family. In the bustling city of Riverside, the Smith family lived in a cozy house on Maple Street. The family consisted of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, their three children, Emma, Michael, and Lily, and their fluffy cat, Whiskers. Every morning, the Smith household buzzed with activity as everyone got ready for the day. Mrs. Smith would prepare breakfast while Mr. Smith helped the kids with their school bags. Emma, the eldest, was responsible and always made sure her younger siblings were ready on time. Michael, the middle child, was full of energy and constantly kept everyone entertained with his jokes and antics. Lily, the youngest, was the apple of everyone's eye with her infectious laughter and boundless curiosity. Despite their busy schedules, the Smith made it a point to spend quality time together. On weekends, they would go for picnics in the park, visit the local museum, or have movie nights at home with homemade popcorn. One Saturday morning, the family decided to go on a hiking trip to find Race Trail. They packed sandwiches, fruit, and plenty of water, exciting for a day of adventure in the great outdoors. Whiskers, their curious cat, watched from the window as they loaded up the car. The hike started off smoothly, with the family chatting and laughing as they followed the trail deeper into the forest. Emma took the lead, holding Lily's hand to make sure she did not trip on any roots and rocks. Michael skipped ahead, eager to explore every nook and cranny of the wilderness. As they walked, Mrs. Smith pointed out different plants and animals, teaching the children about the wonders of nature. Mr. Smith led the way, a map in hand, ensuring they stayed on the right path. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in, thunder rumbled in the distance. The family quickened their pace, hoping to reach a shelter before the rain started pouring down. But before they could find refuge, the sky opened up, drenching them in a downpour. With no shelter in sight, the Smiths huddled together under a large tree, trying to stay dry. Lily giggled as the raindrops spattered on her nose, while Michael pretended to be a superhero, shielding his family from the storm. Emma wrapped her arms around her siblings, comforting them as lightning streaked across the sky. After what felt like hours, the rain finally stopped, and the family emerged from under the tree, soaked but unharmed. They continued their hike, squelching through muddy trails and laughing at their misadventure. When they finally reached the end of the trail, the sun broke through the clouds, casting golden glow over the landscape. The Smiths stood at the edge of a cliff, marveling at the breathtaking view of the valley below. As they made their way back home, the Smith family felt closer than ever. They may have faced challenges along the way, but their love and unity had seen them through. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.